Now we'll create the style rules to make our layout responsive on mobile devices. We'll start with devices that have a maximum screen size of 840 pixels. For these, we'll drop the right column under the other two columns. Let's take a look at an example. So when the screen size falls below 840 pixels, you'll notice that the right column falls underneath the other two. So that's the first rule we want to set up. So I'll start with a comment just to separate it from the navigation styles. We'll need to start with a media property and set the max width to 840 pixels. Now we'll create a rule for the left column and set the margin left definition to -100%. Now we'll create a rule for the right column, set float to none, width to 100%, margin left to 0, and clear to both. Create a rule for the content column, just set the margin right to 0, and then just close our open media style. Now we'll create a set of rules for devices with a max screen size of 600 pixels. So at below 600 pixels, we want both the left and the right column to be positioned underneath the main center content area. So that makes it fully responsive on all devices. So we have two rules, one for the left column and one for the content column. So you can go ahead and enter those. And once you've finished that, we've completed our entire style sheet. And in the next lesson, we'll start building the page in our body tags.